In a previous video, I talked about imaginary numbers, and I said specifically that they are the square root of -1. There is no such number that you can multiply together that will give you the square root of -1. So it is represented by the letter I. Now, despite what some people have told you, you're not supposed to write, let's just say you're not supposed to write the square root of -6 or the square root of -9 or the square root of negative whatever number you want to. And the reason for this is because that number can actually be factored out of that square root situation. Okay? So, you can take 9 times the square root of -1 and get the square root of -9, which of course never really does exist. Alright, so when you're writing your numbers, the letter I should always represent the square root of -1, nothing else. Okay? But look at this equation right down here. We have 5 plus 6i. So that is 6 times the square root of -1. Okay? Now, if you have a number, you have an equation like this, okay, you have an equation like this, you have something called a complex number. Okay, so it doesn't matter what 5 plus 6i is, the point is it's called a complex number. And that's what a complex number is. I will tell you more in a future video, so stay tuned.